Aruba is a familiar island when it comes to tourists and expats, but not every destination around the world welcomes visitors the same way. The Middle East is not known to be a common place for expats or tourists, but with a few guidelines, if you ever go there, you will be set. Selena, part of an expat family who lived in the Middle East for a few years, and Roseanne, as a tourist, can provide handy information regarding the region.
I would encourage people to go to Egypt for the Middle East and to Jordan. They're really nice places. Even though what you hear in the media, it's not completely true. So you have to experience for yourself and decide whether or not you want to take the risk to go.
A few stares may come your way, but Roseanne assures you that it is just curiosity, nothing to be afraid of.
The looks, you get looks, of course, because they notice you're not from there, because we don't cover up our heads, but we do have to wear a abaha. But still, it's very nice because you see people act, they treat you the same way, but we wouldn't say we had any fear of, or any things like that say, oh, we have to be careful. No, it was all nice. We didn't even notice there was any problems. Just our tour guide would explain to us, this is happening. But, it's nice for you to see it for yourself instead of listening to the news. And indeed, it's completely different. When you experience it yourself, it's not the same.
If you are an expat living in the Middle East, there is a dress code.
We as expats have to wear an abaya, but we do not have to wear a hijab or gloves or cover our face. Expats have to wear a black, really long dress that comes through here and covers the whole body. A hijab is this headscarf that you put around. A lot of women wear the headscarf, but it's usually a decision that they take for themselves to wear. A minority of women are forced to wear it, but many women that I know have chosen to wear the hijab.
And in terms of capturing your moments, well, be careful.
For the pictures, you can take pictures. It's not a strict rule, but just don't directly aim your camera at a woman or a man to just take a picture of what they're dressed, because it's disrespectful.
That is it for us today. Thank you so much for joining us. Be sure to tune back in on Wednesday night starting at 7:15 p.m. for the latest in lifestyle topics and for the latest on the island. We'll see you then.